Alright, my name is Kaylee Hunt, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Weber's Library online research for your benefits. So first we have this using the library button, and this kind of just shows you, we have like a Davis campus library, where book drop locations are, different information, where it's at, what you can do on mobile devices, printing, different equipment that you might need to study for them, and things that can help you when you go to the library. Alright, first thing I'm going to show you is our database. So right here, this has, in alphabetical order, has all the different types of databases that we have, but that can kind of be hard even if you don't really know that many databases to look up. So right here you can go and select a field or something that you want to do research on. So I'm going to do health professions, and I'm going to research that. And this has like the best bets right here. And then as you go down, they're in alphabetical order, as you can see. So I'm going to go here to Medline. Let me type in my information real fast. Okay. And let's say I wanted to research on diabetes. So I could look up diabetes. And you can just research it. And then it has all this different databases, and if you want to go more in depth, you can also do that. So Medline's a really good option for that, and they have the nice thing about this is you can pick a date that you want, that like it was edited or published. So like 5 years is a good amount because that's the newest thing, and so that's really nice to look forward to. The next button I want to show you is our OneSearch button right here. And OneSearch is really nice because it definitely goes more in depth of different details and like different things. So you can look up your question right here. You can also do the publication date, so like a year, 3 years, like anything you want. Fields, there's different things. We have content types, so like there's art, books, drawings, exams, everything. This one is just different things, like anatomy, physiology, language, if it's peer-reviewed or not, and then this, and then that. And then you search it, and it has a lot, it's more in-depth for a certain question that you may have, which is really helpful. Alright, and then the last thing is our help button. There's a lot of different people out there to help you. We have a research assistant. You can text, call, email them. You can ask a peer, which is really nice sometimes to talk to. And then the coolest feature that we have is our Consult a Subject Librarian. And they have been taught and a degree in certain things on your subject, and they can help you research your ideas and things you want to learn about. So that is Stewart's Library, and I hope that was helpful.